You guys are either thinking about learning Chinese or maybe you have already started, okay? Let me tell you something, man. Like, you're on the right channel. I'm 4 months in, and yeah, I'm going really strong. So recently I did something, okay? I just bought into the hype and I downloaded this really awesome app that everybody is talking about, TikTok. I just wanted to see, what the app is all about. Once I got on it, I started looking for Mandarin related learning content, and man, I've found some really cool stuff. Let me just get into my phone and kind of tell you what I mean, okay? I wasn't expecting like there's gonna be so much good content, but I'm surprised. All right, so the app should be up now. Let me tell you guys, like there's gonna be a lot of strange, cringy type of content like this on the app. But what I like about this app is, well, before the Chinese and the Mandarin part, so what I really like about this app is that it gives this first opportunity to all the people who are living nearby you. So let's say if I go into the Discover tab, you can see like I'm living in Tanzania, by the way. So all of this content creators are pretty much living in very close proximity to me. And this is awesome, because I feel like it's very different from other apps like Instagram or YouTube, whereby you can actually, get an equal opportunity of exposure. So, yeah, this is the first reason why I love the app. But then let me go to my home and I'm going to click on the people that I'm following right now. Okay, so let's see. Okay. For example, this is one of the channels that I'm following. Okay. It's basically like every other day he makes a video about a certain character, and like he teaches you how to, how to type out the character, how to write the character. So let's say, for example, over here he's saying how to write day in Chinese. I think this is really cool, because the way the information is given to you, it's like in a very digestible form. It's a very small thing and it keeps on repeating over and over in a loop. And yeah, this is something that I can actually watch like one or two videos and I would feel like that I learned something. So for the most part, he focuses a lot on the Chinese characters and how they're written. So let me give you another example. For example, this video over here. Okay? How to write year in Chinese. So you by just watching this one video, you also get to know the stroke order of the character. And it's very clear, very easy to follow, and very digestible, like I said. I think that's the key word, that digestible, because all the information that comes from this app, because the videos are so short, I feel like I can actually watch it, understand it, and that information can stick with me. Okay, so this is the second channel or person that I've been following, and yeah, the name is pretty simple. Chilling Chinese. She's making Chinese cool, and I love her videos. Because all of her videos are like, how do you say this? And same thing again. It's very easy to understand and very easy to follow.
看，it depends。你喜欢吃甜食吗？嗯要看。You guys know that I've done several videos, which means I don't care. But today I will share another way of saying this, which is 我不管，我不管。I don't care. I don't want to do anything about it. 我不管。You can use this, of course, you're not very happy, for example, you want
How
to eat
awesome
ice
is
cream,
that?
but everyone is telling you, it's so cold here, you'll get a cold, don't eat an ice cream, such a childish example.
Like,
But you don't care, you can say, 我不管，我要吃冰淇淋，我不管. I don't care, I want to eat ice cream.
I just feel like this is such a fun way to learn because it's like in small bits and pieces, and you can keep on watching it, and the fact that it's in a loop. So even if there's something that you didn't catch the first time, you don't have to rewind, you don't have to click. It's just gonna come back again just in a few seconds. So yeah, this is so that was number two, really awesome. Um, And okay, so I'm trying to find for my third person. Okay, there you go. Okay, so she goes by the username Mater Telex, and the cool part about her is that she is like that cool language learning friend that you always wanted but you never had. So let me tell you what I mean by that. Okay, um, let me click on one of her videos. Okay, so every once in a while she'll make like fun videos like this. Okay. This is just a fun video about Chinese culture. It's
你看，我
awesome.
给你带来了礼物。哎呦，阿姨不用了啦，不行，一定要。那好吧，谢谢阿姨。再来，再来，干杯！服务员，白酒，要不要去 KTV？服务员买单。不行，我来。不行，我来。不要，不要，你下次。
Yeah, so what I like about her is that she just makes really fun content and makes the learning really fun. She's telling you something about the culture and at the same time you're getting something to learn. And every once in a while, she's just gonna, yeah. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna stop the screen recording. So, yeah, the third one is like, I think probably my favorite one because like she'll teach you how to learn and sometimes she'll just dance for you. Yeah, guys, so for this video, I'm gonna wrap it up now, and that was all that I have. If there are any other TikTokers who are good in Mandarin and that kind of into this Mandarin teaching community, let me know. I would love to check them out, and I'm always looking for more content. So yeah, I'll appreciate it. Leave them in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's do this thing together, guys. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. 再见.